again in a future series. If you've been listening to this at home and think you'd like to appear as a contestant in the next series, please email the team on counterpoint@bbc.co.uk. I'd like to thank the whole team who worked so hard to make this series happen. It has been a BBC Studios production for Radio 4, and I would like to dedicate this series to the memory of our 2025 winner, Sarah Cooper. Thank you so much for listening. Goodbye.
Yes, congratulations to this year's winner, Greg Butler, and we'll be starting a new series of Round Britain Quiz at 4:30 next Sunday afternoon here on Radio 4. Witness history is coming up after the news today, and we'll be hearing the story of the most audacious hoax of World War II, its codename Operation Mincemeat. After that, James Lochte continues his look at the ideas tying America's founding to the modern United States. In today's episode, we'll join James in Alabama as he explores how the civil rights movement